What's up, y'all? It's Janae the Bae, and I'm back again with another video. So today we're gonna get into rice water. Today I'm using wild rice. This is the closest to black rice I can find in Fresh Time, which is the closest grocery store to me. I'm sure they have it at Walmart. I've definitely used rice water, but honestly, these are unnecessary measuring instruments. But you do need a pot for the method and a jar. I'm showing you two different methods. I'll really only show the one, which is the one I use most often, which is boiling the rice and using the rice water from boiling rice to put in my hair. But that's because I'm lazy and you can do that really fast. And another method is to just let it ferment by putting it in a jar, which you'll see me do that later in the video. But first we're gonna just scoop out some rice and put it in a pot, and we're gonna go over to rinse the rice. Rinsing isn't necessary, but I feel like that's a black people thing. We wash all our food. But yeah, go ahead and toss it around. Honestly, this is my my second time using black rice water, and it's not as dirty. So now that it's clean, I'm gonna shovel it into the jar, or at least half of it into the jar. And we're gonna store that away for later, put some water in there. Yup. I don't measure anything. Honestly, the ratio, the higher the amount of rice is in the water, the more concentrated your rice water will be and more strong it'll be. But, I don't really, rice water is rice water. It always works for me. Black rice water is way better, I've learned. So now we're going to move the leftover rice to the pot in the stove, and we're going to let it boil. I let mine boil for like 30 minutes. I put a lot of water in there, so like I get all the juices. And at the end, the water is like kind of like this brown color. Yeah. If you use rice water, it'll just be cloudy white. And so now we're going to get into me applying it. So my hair is severely damaged. I'm going to throw in some pics of what it used to look like. I don't really take pictures of my hair like that. But I got it straightened like a month ago, and I washed it, and it didn't go back curly. I have no idea. This is the first time I straightened my hair in 2 years, and it just got jacked up. And I got a trim. They cut it like 1.5 inches. But I've been using rice. I use rice water all the time, and I think it helps. So I'm just going to put some leave-in. I already sprayed the rice water on my scalp and the length of my hair. And now I'm going to put some leave-in so to hold it in, rub that in. And then we're going to get some shea butter. I love shea butter. I use it on my skin, face, everywhere. Except my scalp. I don't put it on my scalp. And we're going to rub that in. I always wear wigs, so I always braid my hair down as like a protective style under wigs. And it makes my hair grow like a weed. Honestly, my hair is already grown since I got it cut. Like, it's like back to its original length because I've been using rice water. And looking at this video, I'm just like, oh dang, it's like, if not the original length, it's longer. I freaking swear by rice water. But yeah, I'm about to just go through and re-braid my hair because I always wear wigs. And I'm gonna look at the damage that's been done on my hair. Like, it looks like I got a perm. It's so sad. But yeah, basically I just spray the rice water all over my scalp. I put it in a water bottle or a spray bottle. I spray it all over my scalp and the length of my hair. I get my edges flourishing like a mug when I wear wigs, as long as I don't put glue on them. Even if I put glue on them, they'll still be fine. But yeah, I'm about to just go through and moisturize this whole side and finish braiding it up. You can get a closer look at how my hair is looking now. Like, it's like, it looks better than it did last week. Like, it looks a little curlier. I don't know if that's because of the braids or rice water or what. I just need some time. But like, it didn't used to look like this. It really didn't used to look like this. Like, oh my gosh. I don't even know. Like, I'm going to just do this rice water thing and see if I need to cut it off. But I honestly don't wear my hair in its natural state at all anyway. So, like, it's not really that big of a deal. I don't want to have to cut my hair off. But if it, like, just starts breaking off, then we might have to go that route. I mean, hair always grows back. So, yeah. Just enjoy me finishing up these lovely doo-doo braids. And when I'm braiding, I always pull the tail from the last braid into the braid I'm in, so I won't have a whole bunch of hanging tails. That's annoying to me. I feel like I'm just trying to protect my ends at all costs. And usually the last tail that's left hanging, I might go ahead and get a crochet hook and put it in the braid. But now that my hair is like super loose, these braids don't like to stay in. So here we go. We are finished. We got 7 doo-doo braids. Hey, they cute. They loose. Don't do it tight because this is a protective style. Don't do tight. What's the point? But yeah, we're gonna put in this oil. I got some olive oil, castor oil, in this bottle. I'm gonna oil my scalp. Don't want no itchy scalps. It's winter time. But yeah. And right after we oil it, we're going to massage it in. I've been massaging my head all day, but I love head massages. Like, for real, they bring the circulation back to your scalp. And when I do a head massage, I feel like there has been no circulation to my scalp because it be feeling like tender. Like, I don't even know what the dealio is. But yeah, so I'm probably going to leave these braids in for 2 weeks. 10 to 14 days because I'm on protective styles. Like, I'm only gonna do rice water. I'll keep y'all updated and let y'all know if I experience any growth. Honestly, I'm doing this for growth because I know rice water works for me. In a minute, I'm about to show you all the shedding I got. Like, that's the whole wash day. Because I washed it in braids, and then when I took it out, I've just detangle my fingers, and that's all I got. And rice water takes, like, you basically don't shed, you get no breakage, your hair is super easy to detangle, it gets super shiny. I just love rice water. Try it out, and it's cheap. Do it. You have no excuse to not have healthy hair all 2020. All right, bye, love you.